Hallo, liebe Leute. Let's try a practice activity that's called delayed dictation. Yeah, so dictation means that I'm going to read you a sentence and you're going to write it down. But the delayed part is that I'm going to read you the sentence, then I'm going to count to 10, then you write it down. And you're thinking like, what's the purpose of this? Well, let me tell you. While I'm counting to 10, you have to hold that sentence in your brain. And your brain is going to form all sorts of connections trying to hold on to that sentence. Yeah. So if you know the meaning of the words, that's going to be really helpful. But your brain is going to listen to the sounds, try to put together the meaning, and hold on to what you just heard long enough for you to write it down 10 seconds later. And me making you hold on to it for 10 seconds is going to help you retain the sounds of the language and retain the meaning if you know what the words mean. Yeah. It's a great little exercise. So what you need for this is paper and pencil. Yeah. So it's really simple. I will read you the sentence, then I will count to 10, and then I will say, schreib, and you'll write it down. Okay, then I'm going to scroll up and you'll see what the sentence was and you can check and see how well you did. Okay, all right, so here we go. Also, erster Satz, first sentence. Wir sind nach der Schule in die Stadt gefahren. Wir sind nach der Schule in die Stadt gefahren. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Schreib. All right, this is what you should have. Wir sind nach der Schule in die Stadt gefahren. Ja? Also, so check, make sure that you spelled all your words right. Yeah. Hopefully your brain chunked this up. Yeah. Nach der Schule, after school, in die Stadt, to the city. Yeah. And then, of course, helping verb in second spot, main verb at the end. All right, let's do another one. Next sentence. Here we go. Next sentence. Okay. Nummer 2. Meine Freunde und ich haben viele Fotos gemacht. Meine Freunde und ich haben viele Fotos gemacht. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Schreib. Okay, let's see how you did. Nummer 2. Oops, I went just a little too far. Meine Freunde und ich haben viele Fotos gemacht. Okay, check your spelling. Yeah, check your word order. Ciao. Okay, guys, next sentence. Nummer 3. Nummer 3. Here we go. 11 Uhr ist Alex endlich zur Party gekommen. 11 Uhr ist Alex endlich zur Party gekommen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Schreib. All right, let's see how you did. 11 Uhr ist Alex endlich zur Party gekommen. Toll. Let's do 2 more. 2 more. Okay. Nummer 4. This is a long one. Get ready. Here we go. Nummer 4. Wir sind ins Kino gegangen und haben die Avengers gesehen. Wir sind ins Kino gegangen und haben die Avengers gesehen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Schreib! Okay, here we go. Let's check it. There you go. Wir sind ins Kino gegangen. Yeah, we went to the movies. Und haben die Avengers gesehen. And saw the Avengers. Yeah. All right, one more, guys. One more, and that'll be all of our practice for today. So, Nummer 5. Here we go. Nummer 5. Am Montag war ich krank und ich bin zu Hause geblieben. Am Montag war ich krank und ich bin zu Hause geblieben. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Schreib! Alrighty, let's see how you did. Am Montag war ich krank und ich bin zu Hause geblieben. Yeah. Check your spelling. Yeah. Make sure that you got every word. Okay. Also, guys, if you have any questions about any of these, yeah, just let me know. Yeah, if you need vocab help or whatever. Yeah, we'll do some more practice like this. This is really good practice for you guys, okay? Building those brain connections, whether you know it or not. All right, hope you did well. Let me know. Tschüss.